what are you doing?
These pencils don't fit in my backpack and I need to go!
I have one great idea to solve this problem of yours. We'll make a pencil case, and you are gonna love it! And I promise everything will fit in just perfectly.
Sue, I found some stuff here. Isn't that what you're looking for by any chance?
Oh yeah, this is one of the pieces. Let's glue these two together now. It is very important to make sure you glue everything well. Otherwise, the pencil case might fall apart. Here is how we glue both sides of our pink foam paper. That's easy. Now watch me. There's a small trick we totally need to do. Don't forget to close the openings. This way. Here's what you should get. And this piece is for the upper part of our pencil case. It goes like this. And this is it. It's very handy. Check this out. Oops! Now let's get to decorating. First, I will add these little buddies. They don't just look super cute on the case, but also help to open and close the whole thing. Let me just squeeze it in. There you go.
Hey, I can't bite into this donut. Why is it so hard and flat? Is it a prank? How could you do that to me?
It's not a real donut. It's for decoration, but I'll treat you to a real one later. Now we need to add a zipper right here. This way the pencils or anything else won't fall out. Make sure it's secured really well.
Sue, can we add this pendant to our case? Check out how cool it is. Oh, pretty please.
You're right. It really looks awesome. All the pencils can go inside now. Here we go. Look, Sammy, it can also be used as a pencil cup. Do you like it?
Awesome! Oh, can you make a super cool pen so everyone gets jealous?
I think I know what kind of pen you need. We'll make a cool liquid pen with cute little charms inside. Everyone at your school would want to have such a pen too. Promise.
I know how to make them even more jealous. Check out this color. It's your turn, Sue.
You're right, the color is stunning. Good job! Now, we need some water. Can you bring a glass for me, Sammy?
I heard somewhere that you can train good posture this way. Do you think it works?
I can definitely see the progress already. It's time to give it a sparkle. I have lots of them in stock. I will take these, I think. And these ones too. Let's also add some hearts. Now, I'm gonna give it a good shake. And add some glue, it's important! Well, Sammy, your pen is ready. Have a look! I really love the result. It's mesmerizing. What about you, friends?
Wow, thank you, Susie! Great! Now I need a new notebook, as you can see! And it should be made in the shape of a donut. Yum!
Okay, Sammy, one donut notebook is coming right up! We need a magic cut! And of course, what are donuts without a good deep fry, right? Sammy, it's your cue!
I'm on it! Fresh icing for the donut! I made it myself! I could eat it!
No eating just yet! Don't forget we're making a notebook here! I doubt it would taste very good chewing on paper and glue.
Oh, and one more thing, Sue. Now it's perfect!
Wow, friends! I love this notebook so much!
I'm gonna write my schedule in it!
Hey, I should get ready for school too, but my stationery is so dull. This needs to be fixed. Would you look at this yarn? The color is amazing! And I know just the thing we can make out of it. Watch me, friends. It's not that hard. I love yarn crafts. And what about you? Give us a thumbs up if you love them too. Okay, I'm not quite sure where we go from here.
I know. Let's brush it really well. Make it fluffy.
I'll take it from here. It will be a super duper fluffy notebook.
Whoa! Awesome!
We're going to need a lot more of these fluffy things. We will glue them all over the cover, like this. It is a real case of cutesy eyes.
Ow! Is it a cat or a bear? Oh no! She looks exactly like my geometry teacher. Ah! I just remembered I had to buy a ruler. Oh no! She's gonna be so mad.
Don't panic, Sammy. We're going to give you the most extraordinary ruler you've ever seen. Our ruler is going to be super fun. We will make it out of a transparent file. It's very easy. Now we need something hot to seal the sides. We can add anything we want inside. I decided to go with glitter. And some star sparkles as well. Now we need some glue. That should do it. All that's left to do is seal the remaining end of the ruler so nothing leaks out. Check this out! Our ruler looks gorgeous! Ah, it's like an anti-stress toy.
Hey, what's a ruler without markings? Take this, Sue!
You're right. We'll just glue the part with the markings to the cool, fun glitter part. We are all done. Look how cool it turned out. Let's test our new ruler. There we go. It works just like it should. Hey, why don't we make a donut pencil holder? I bet you've never seen a holder like this before. Even though it's round in shape, it's great for storing all your pencils and pens. Let me finish and you'll see. Okay, now we need something cylindrical. I'm using a piece of cardboard. Oh, I know. This will be the perfect match. But don't forget to close it with a lid. Let's speed this process up a little, and voila! What do you say? I love the result! Ooh, I almost forgot! To keep the holder from rolling away, let's make it a hot glue stand. There we go. Uh-huh. Simple, unique, and super handy. Sammy, what do you say?
Wait, here's where it gets interesting. Don't I have a bookmark? Is there something I wanted to do?
You wanted to make a bookmark, and this popsicle stick is just a right thing. Great color.
I think I'm allergic to that ice cream. Oh, I feel better now.
Our bookmark seems to feel better too. And just like that, we get a cute cow. I heard cow print is back in style. Isn't it adorable? I totally love it. Sam, look! It's a perfect match for your book. It's so hot in here. Let's turn on the fan. Huh? Did I forget to charge it? Ugh, I have an idea. To beat the heat, I suggest we make a new fan. It's gonna be such a cool craft. And it won't be just any fan, but a fan on a pencil. Are you already intrigued? I want it to always be at hand, even during school hours. We will need some glue here, as always. We can't do without it while crafting, right? Let's make it wide enough.
Sue, this paper makes my eyes pop. Doesn't it look great?
Yeah, I'd say that color really suits you. Let's fix it right here to make our fan sturdy. We don't want it to fall apart, do we? Now we need to do this and secure it, of course. And here comes the pencil. The color matches perfectly.
Sue, make some lint for me, would you? That's better.
As you can see, this craft is very functional. You can cool down and use it to write or draw. What, boring notebook again? I won't put up with that. They don't call me a crafter for nothing. Be careful not to damage the notebook when you do that. Now let's repaint the notebook cover. Time to give it some fancy color. I decided to use more colors and then create a gradient. It will look great. Now check this out, friends.
Wow, Susie, that looks beautiful. And I decided to share some of my stickers with you. Let me arrange them on the notebook. Okay, voila, enjoy.
All we've left to do is to put the cover back in place. You already know how to do it. Just don't rush. No one will say that this is a boring notebook.
True. Hey, I want one like that too, but smaller. Pretty please, Sue. I've got these pieces of paper here. You're smart, Sue. You'll figure something out.
What am I supposed to do with it? I know, but I will need some paper clips. And lots of glue, of course. Yep, you heard that right. Sammy is not a big fan of carrying a heavy backpack, you know, so his notebooks should be rather small too. Also, I was thinking, why don't we make 4 notebooks? It's good to have some extra.
And I already made some really cool decor for them. Here you go.
Aw, this is so cute. All done. Let's just write your name inside so nobody takes it by accident. Great! I want to make a pen for Roger now. Since he is an animal lover, this pen will have a paw tip. It really is a super cute craft. Now let's cut the paws out. And glue everything together. A little bit of editing magic. And check out what we have got for now. Looks cool, isn't it? But we can make this paw look even more real. We can put it on any actual pen and enjoy. I'm sure Roger will be happy. Sammy, do you like it?
I really do. High five, cat pen.
Okay, this will be the last craft, I promise. I want to make the ultimate donut notebook. I already have everything ready for it. I just have to put it together. And it won't be just 1, but 3 of them. Check this out!
Sue, I have some extra plastic left. Do you need it?
Oh, that's exactly what I need. We can make special pockets for our notebooks. Aha! Everything fits perfectly. There we go! That's great! And now, the final touch, the cat paw pen. So if we simply close our notebook package like this, it won't take much space in your backpack. Isn't it just the best? Thanks for being with us today, friends. See you soon!
Don't miss our next video, and bye-bye!